My beautiful friends, how you are doing? Let's go again. These are the Hamster Kombat daily combo cards. Okay, for today, the first is marketing, the next is Bitcoin PIXFI day, and the last one is 250 million hamster players. The first one is under PR and team, which is this one right here, marketing. Get it. After this, go to the special section, and here you're gonna see this one. I'm pretty sure you've bought it before, so buy this one. Okay, 250 million hamster players. And after this, scroll to the Bitcoin PIXFI day, this one right here, and click on go ahead. And of course, we have to take our prize, 5 million, added to your balance. Don't forget, I've got a Telegram group, a lot of interesting things happening there. If you fancy, use the link in the description of this video. And also, if you're playing PIXFI, I have some important updates, okay, about the project. It is launching on the Bybit exchange on the 18th of July, that is this month. Check those videos, they're going to be linked in the description. Let's go.